Famous Pakistani news anchor and journalist Wasim Badamai is celebrating his 36th birthday today with his son and family. And this innocent birthday was given by her son at home. And he shared a photo of himself cutting a cake with his son on his Instagram account with his fans. Wasim Badamai gets answers from big politicians because of his innocent question. And his program 11th Hour is very popular all over the world, including Pakistan. On the other hand, he has launched their own brand under the name WB by Hime. And their organic product like face wash, serum, and setizer is very popular among women. Wasim Badamai has been associated with ARY News Channel for almost 15 years. He started his career by reading the news. And while there is so much sweetness in their speech that they are the only ones who get the hosting of live Ramadan transmission on the ARY digital channel. And their transmission also gets the highest ratings every year. But in today's article, we will see Wasim Badamai celebrating his 36th birthday with his son at home with great simplicity. And on the other hand, his birthday was also celebrated by the management of WB by Hime. It can be seen in the pictures that Iqra Al Hassan and Madiha Akvi are also present on this occasion. Don't forget to congratulate Wasim Badamai on his 36th birthday.